Hey, it's Mason from Mason's Forex Trading and Investments. Please take note of the risk disclaimer. Everything provided in the video is strictly for educational purposes. Please also hit that subscribe button. Like and share the video with your friends and your family. Okay, today we will be covering some quick fire tips about brokers before we get to the meaty part. You will get massive value from this video if you please stay till the end. I am from South Africa. I only work or use brokers which are Financial Sector Conduct Authority regulated or FSCA regulated, and I use their website. So I'll leave a link in the description box for your quick access to find authorized FSPs or financial service providers. I never ever use word of mouth or suggestions from friends or family or any person to use brokers without personally checking for myself. If I ever have any issues of price manipulation or any other challenges, I know I can get support from the FSCA. Now, if you're not from from South Africa, sorry, then I suggest you find the contact authority responsible in your country. It's highly recommended to use a forex broker regulated by the contact authority. I also make sure the broker is a properly registered company on Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC, and their website. I'll also leave a description so you're able to find registered companies. CIPC is actually the organization responsible for registering every business in South Africa. Once again, please research and find out as per your own country and their specific process for business registration. Google it, call other companies and find out, etc. Now, if you look at the current website, which is the CIPC website, you'll notice we have a search by, and then we have a drop down tab. And in the drop down tab, you'll notice we have enterprise name, enterprise number, director identity number. Now, your enterprise name will be the business's name. Enterprise number, normally you find that on their website. And if you have access to their identity number, that's even better. You can quickly type it in this box and you'll simply search for it. Moving on. Now, when it comes to the authorized financial service providers, you simply search for the FSP number. So again, normally if a broker interacts with you, you'll notice you have a FSP number within the email, or you can also find the FSP number on the website of the Forex broker. And then you also have another alternative. You can search for the FSP name. So that again would be the business name. And after you type the business name or the FSP number, you would simply click submit. My Forex broker issues. This is a very disappointing, frustrating situation based on this broker removing me. They specified no specific reason whatsoever. They honestly don't care. They are still in operation and decided to leave Africa only. The worst part is that I had a live trade which was the USD CAD. So I'll also leave a link in the description for this video analysis. My intention was to hold USD CAD for at least a few months. So mentally, it caught me off guard. I was forced to end the trade or cancel it prematurely. I really felt like swearing those directors. This is not my first case of having a broker challenge. I used another broker from 2016 to 2020. With respect to this case, they refused to allow me to keep my bonuses. Their excuse was that they changed their server and they will eliminate my bonuses. I have reported this case to the FSCA and I am still waiting for the investigation outcome. Tips and tricks dealing with broker challenges. I suggest having a few different brokers as this has eased off my anger or emotions. The specific broker that kicked me out was only used for trading currencies. I remember personally saying to myself that at least I have another broker. I use the other broker for specifically trading NASDAQ 100. So going forward, please be aware that some Forex brokers may even go bankrupt, commit fraud, close down, etc. I think it's something we can acknowledge or plan for, and I urge you to please never have all your eggs in one basket. We can also say that we are now managing our risk profile. Please never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Please never ever place all your money with only one specific broker. I highly recommend diversification. If a broker commits fraud, you probably will never know until an investigation is carried out. The bank accounts for this broker could even end up being frozen. Hence, your money could end up being frozen or held up for many years based on the length of the investigation. So we've come to the end of the video. Until the next video, goodbye.